National symbols are the pride of our country. They represent the culture, identity and heritage of our nation. Here are the main national symbols. Thank you. National flag is called Tiranga. It has three colors, saffron, white and green. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It fills our hearts with patriotism. My name is Chaitra. I am studying in second standard. National animal is Langotta. It is a symbol of power. National bird is parrot. Now for its beauty and gracefulness. Thank you. I am studying in second standard. National flower is My name is Saloksha. I am studying in second standard. National song is a Vande Mataram. It inspires many freedom fighters. National emblem more than a lion. It shows strength, courage, and truth. Thank you.